Ever wondered about a civilization lost to time, with tales so captivating they've transcended millennia? Today we'll unravel the enigma of Atlantis. Could there be truth behind the legend? Atlantis, an island kingdom described by none other than the legendary philosopher Plato, a place whose existence could redefine our very understanding of ancient civilizations. Join us as we embark on a voyage between myth and historical possibility. Our tale begins with Plato's detailed accounts in Timaeus and Critias. Atlantis, a power that once defeated Europe and Asia, was located beyond the Pillars of Hercules in the vast Atlantic. According to his accounts, Atlantis existed 9,000 years before his era. It was a paradise of concentric rings of water and land. At its heart stood a testament to its architectural prowess, a grand palace. It was a utopia of advanced civilization, remarkable beauty and wealth, where residents coexisted in harmony and prosperity. But what truly sets Atlantis apart is its wealth of knowledge, from the art of farming to intricate metallurgy. Over millennia, humanity didn't invent but merely perpetuated the remarkable heritage of this advanced civilization. Its influence, some argue, spread far and wide. Consider the widespread pyramid structures, from Egypt to the distant shores of the Americas. Is it possible they are remnants of Atlantean influence? Over the years, many have attempted to prove the existence of Atlantis. Renowned scholars of ancient Greece believed Atlantis lay submerged beneath the waters of the Atlantic. Taking cues from seabed expeditions of their era, they identified the mid-Atlantic ridge, particularly the Azores, as the last remnants of this lost world. The search has led to various archaeological discoveries, such as the Bimini Road near the Bahamas and the ruins on the Mediterranean island of Santorini. Another compelling site is the Richat structure in the Sahara Desert. In 2011, mysterious structures and symbols were identified in the marshlands of Dona Ana Park, off Spain's coast, echoing Plato's descriptions. And here's a thought to ponder. Were the Atlanteans simply inheritors of knowledge from an even older civilization? The sheer sophistication of ancient Egyptian civilization, seemingly emerging at its zenith, sparks questions. Could they have been beneficiaries of a legacy predating their era? But every epic has its climax. Despite its splendor, Atlantis faced a cataclysmic end. Whether swallowed by the sea following an earthquake or devastated by its own overreaching ambitions, it plunged into oblivion. The echoes of its existence, however, continue to resonate. From potential archaeological sites in the Sahara's Richat structure to submerged formations near the Bahamas, the quest for Atlantis remains ever-evolving. Atlantis, real or mythological, serves as a beacon of human potential and a stark reminder of our vulnerabilities. It challenges us to seek, question, and wonder about the tapestry of our history and the footprints we might leave for future generations. If this voyage into the depths of Atlantis captivated your spirit of exploration, do hit that like button. To journey through more historical enigmas, subscribe and activate the notifications. Support our quest for uncovering the past with your contributions, and let's keep the conversation alive on our social media channels. Remember, in every legend lies a grain of truth. Until next time, keep exploring.